I don't sleep much anymore. Every time I close my eyes, I hear that hum again. Low, metallic, like it's coming from inside my bones. That night, the air felt wrong, heavy, still. I remember looking out my window, and the moon wasn't moving. It was like time had frozen. Then came the light, blinding white, piercing through my eyelids even when I covered my face. The whole village, every rooftop, every tree, it all glowed like a furnace. And then silence. No wind, no insects, just that humming and the smell of ozone. When I woke up, my bed was wet, not with sweat. It was like I'd been washed. There was a mark right above my collarbone, a perfect circle, burned into the skin, smooth like glass. I ran outside. Everyone was already in the street. Men, women, kids, all touching the same spot on their skin. Same burn, same circle. Nobody said a word. And then someone screamed, old Mrs. Hendricks, "Where's Tom?"
Tom Ricker, the mechanic. He lived 2 houses down from me. He was gone. His front door was wide open, breakfast still on the table. His dog was barking at the ceiling over and over. Someone called the sheriff. Someone else said they saw lights in the forest last night. Nobody wanted to go look. By noon, the whole town was on edge. The radio was dead. Phones were dead. And then the mayor said it. "We all have the same scar." The whole crowd gasped like they'd only just realized it.
That evening, Deputy Cole brought something to the church, a USB stick. He said one of the highway patrol cameras caught something around 3:12 a.m. We projected it on the wall. At first, just static. Then, headlights, trees, night fog, and then a shape, a man, floating, right off the ground, into the air. He was kicking, flailing. A beam of light took him straight upward, and the timestamp read 3:12 a.m., the same moment we all woke up.
Federal agents came the next day. They sealed the town off. Said it was radiation from a meteor, but they wore no hazmat suits. They didn't even test the soil. They just looked at us, one by one. Their eyes, they didn't blink. They asked if anyone had dreams about metal corridors. I lied because I had. I still do. Cold halls filled with that humming and whispers. So many whispers. 3 nights later, Tom came back, naked, covered in dust, eyes wide open. He didn't talk, didn't blink. He just stood in the middle of the street, staring at the sky. The sheriff tried to touch him. Tom screamed. His whole body glowed under his skin, veins lighting up blue like neon wires. And then he collapsed. The circle mark on his neck was pulsing. People started carving around their scars like they were trying to open them. They said they could hear the signal. Every night more lights above the forest. Every night the humming got louder. I started bleeding from my ears. I think it's calling us back. I think it's not over. Tom's body disappeared from the morgue yesterday.
No one saw who took him, but this morning, everyone's marks are fresh again. If anyone finds this recording, don't come here. The town's empty now. No birds, no sound, just that hum everywhere. Sometimes I see them in the light, shapes moving slow, like they're swimming through air. They look at me, and when they do, the scar burns. I think they marked us so they can find us anywhere. I think they're already here. The hum's getting louder. I can see the light again through the cracks in the window. If they take me this time, I won't fight. Just tell them we never asked for this. The moon's not moving again.